Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool element here, and pretty much what this is an ashtray that's used for your incense. So the way how they design it, it pretty much has a little tray for you guys to hold the incense and also inside to hold the actual incense itself. So that way all like the ashes can fall into the bottom. And right here on top, you can see it from this brand right here. For this one in particular, if you can see we do have the marble design. They do have this available in many other designs as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see what you prefer. And if you guys do turn inside right here, they do show you guys what's included inside. So they do provide the holder, the actual tray itself, and a little silicone thing to prevent it from moving around when you guys do put it down. So first I'm actually open this up and show you guys what the inside looks like and what's actually included. So inside, when you guys do open it, they do give you guys a protection layer. And once you guys do remove it, you can see right there we do have the actual product. Let's take all of it out. So right here we do have the silicone pad. The bottom part is like a non-slip material. And the top part is where you guys want to put it on top. Right here we do have the marble tray thing. It's definitely breakable, so you do want to handle with care when you guys do get this. And then right here we do have the little tray or the holder thing for the incense when you guys just stick it on. So that's what it looks like on this side, and here's our side. So literally all you guys can do is just put this on top like this, and then put this on top like that. And that is literally how the product works. And this is what the inside looks like. So once you guys are ready to use it, you guys can stick your incense on top right here and then start using it. And I love how they do have different size holes for you guys on here, so that way if you guys do have a bigger stick or smaller stick, you guys can fit it based on your own preference. And I love how they do have like 9 holes on here, which is perfect, especially if you guys are Asian. If you guys do pray often, you guys know that they do usually use like 9 incense, which is very traditional. So that way every time when you guys do pray, you guys can stick 9 of them in here, or you can actually use more than 9. Because like I mentioned, some of the holes are much bigger, so you can put more than 1 in it. But that is everything that's on the product. So now to get unboxing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys do burn incense often, maybe for like just a smell, or if you guys are Asian or Chinese who do pray often and you guys need something to hold like your incense, then I do have to say that getting one of these is actually really worth it to keep everything all organized and also very clean every time when you guys do pray or when you guys are using it for like air freshener incense or something. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have you want these, obviously don't buy one and save them on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.